Hello everyone friends, in this channel you'll show you how to set up C++ for Visual Studio. To do this we will need an MC32 respectively. Go in and we will need to download and install respectively this extension. Go in, open it. Now the installer will open, click next, next, and the installation process is underway. After installing the extension, click Finish, and we have the console open respectively. If you have it closed for some reason, you can start it respectively, yes. And here we need to insert accordingly. Go to Google, write a dead start with ++, go to the Visual Studio Code site, scroll down a little below, and here we have, respectively, a command that needs to be inserted into this, respectively, into this console. Here we insert it. Copy. Okay, manually. Okay, then I'll enter it myself now. So, accordingly, press enter, and we will begin the process of installing the repository. Repositories, yes. Next, press enter, and then click here, yes, type Y and hit enter. So the installation process begins, unpacking and all that, and after that we'll need to, okay, the next step is to go into the environment settings, yes. To do this, you need to type edit system environment variables. Yes, go here, click here, and we'll need to paste this path. To do this, click on path. Next, click edit new and paste this path here. Click OK. And now I'll make sure it's here, yes, and click OK and click OK again. After installing MSYS, yes, we'll need to verify that it installed correctly. To do this, we have 3 commands that we need to enter in CMD. Type here, command prompt, and enter GCC version. As you can see, everything's good. G++ version, as you can see, everything's good. And GDB version. As you can see, everything's installed. Next, we need to open vscode. Open it. Here we need to go to extensions. Yes. Type in C. And here we need the extension pack. Here it is. C++ extension pack. There's also a simple one. We need this one and click install. There. And after installation you can test it. To do this, I'll just create a new text file. Yes, select the language, and here we have C++. So the pluses are there, and now you can test it, run it. That's all. This was Name. Like and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.